You say I'm loca, crazy. Said I've been tripping lately. I wanna know, baby, does that make me insecure?
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm basically going to be customizing this beautiful blonde wig that I got from RPGHair.com. Yes, it is the blonde lace front wig, and I'll attach the direct link in the description box. This is Silky Straight Brazilian Virgin hair, and it is number 613. Okay, if you're wondering, it is 14 inches long and it's 130% in density. It is of a silky straight texture, and I did get a medium cap size, and it is a glueless lace front wig cap. Yeah, let me just show you guys a bit of what I got in my RPG hair box. I got this cute little RPG hair case, and it comes with these two like duckbill clips and elastic band if you need to further adjust your wig. I get this ragtail comb, which was so cool, and a wig cap. I always get a wig cap with my boxes. I did take out a pack of hairpins that I got as well. That is very convenient. So yeah, so today, as you can see, I was showing you two brown dyes hair color from Adore, but I actually only ended up using the sienna brown. Okay, Adore sienna brown, that's the color I used, along with a toothbrush, because a toothbrush just got closer to the roots without having to mess everything up. So as you can see, I'm applying the color. I didn't mix it with anything. It's straight from the bottle, and that's the sienna brown, and I'm just applying. I apply that straight directly to the toothbrush, and I'm just, you know, brushing that along the roots of the wig, and this helps me to keep everything more in control without having to, you know, get too much color on the lace itself, because we don't really want that. As you can see, this is a dark brown color, but I realized that even like after washing out the hair, it did have a hint of like red. So yeah, I didn't mind it though, even though it gave the hair kind of like a cotton candy vibe. If you guys saw the intro, then you'd probably think that I mixed the color with something else. No, it's all sienna brown from Adore. So as you can see, this is basically how it looked as I went along. I made sure to take my time. This is a bit time consuming, I must say. It is so you have to be a little bit patient with it and take your time so you don't mess things up, and carefully apply it to the roots of the wig, and you'll be fine. It was my first time doing this, by the way. It was my first time, so yeah, I was being super careful. And then I used a like rat tail comb, the one that I received from in my box this time, and kind of just, you know, comb through the roots to make sure everything was like evenly distributed, you know. Yeah, and it didn't transfer to like the end of the hair or anything, no. So I was happy with that. And yeah, I pretty much just fast forwarded to the next side because I did the same thing. And yeah, after this I proceeded to washing the hair out. This is the hair when it's dry. Okay, so I knew that I wanted to do something with the hair, but I wasn't sure. And initially I was like, you know what, I really wanted to do like a bob look, so I did go ahead and proceed to cut the hair. Initially right here I was going to curl it because I didn't remember that I wanted to cut it, but yeah. And the lace, I removed the lace because I totally forgot to do that. Yeah, so I just took my time and carefully cut that off from around the perimeter of the wig. So with cutting this bob, I didn't want it super short, and I don't know, I kind of wanted it shorter than the other bobs that I have, but I just carefully took my time and tried. I know my line wasn't the straightest, guys, so please don't come for me. I tried to keep it as straight as I possibly could, and then after cutting everything, I tried to clean it up and straighten it up a little bit more. Yeah. So yeah, but I was pretty much liking it though. I didn't have a problem with how it came out. I was pretty pleased. So yeah, and after, you know, making that blunt cut there at the bottom, I decided to give the hair some layers so that when it curled, you know, those curls would fall very nicely and flow very well into each other. Now I proceeded to just, you know, giving the hair, you know, like some light bump with my flat iron. Nothing too serious. I didn't want like tight curls or anything, just a nice little, you know, those flowy little bobs, nothing too precise. So I used my flat iron to achieve this, and I didn't dwell on this portion just because it was just, you know, I was just bumping the hair, and to hold it in place until I was finished, I just used like a hairpin to hold each curl. Yeah, that was literally all I was doing, but I must say I'm pretty pleased with how this wig came out. I'm not mad at the fact that this brown does have a hint of red. As you can see, I have on a full face right here. I'm about to take down the curls. Yeah, and I was just pretty much playing around with the hair, combing it through, and you know, just seeing how everything flow. Yeah, I love the way it looks. And I mean, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial though, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Leave your thoughts in the comments section. Let me know what you think. I'll put all the direct information on this wig down below in the description box. If you decide to go ahead and get this for yourself, you can go ahead and shop for it on my direct page on rpghair.com. Don't forget to use my discount code SUE15 and PETITE-10. Yes, SUE15 give you discount on all Brazilian textured wigs and PETITE-10 on everything else. So yeah, be sure to make use of that. Thanks again for the support, guys. We're at 340k. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until next time, bye.